Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today we're discussing Scientology, the Galactic Federation, and the Million-Year Contract. I bet you're wondering what that's about. If you want to know, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And now we can talk about Scientology, the organization that I was a part of and left. But in the course of being a part of that organization, they ask you to sign a million-year contract so that lifetime after lifetime after lifetime, you will be in their service. This agreement is something that you are required to make in order to participate in the Sea Org. So, I signed that contract. This contract, it inducts you into the Galactic Federation. The Galactic Federation is a group of planets, spacefaring planets, that protect this region of the universe, including time and space. And what you are, well, I mean, the truth of it I couldn't tell you, but this is how it goes down. You are supposed to come into Scientology, learn, become clear, become an OT, and as a higher being, operate on one of those ships and go out into space and help fight against tyranny and what have you. Maybe, maybe not. But I would say, if this is something that you understand, that you know about, type OT, type operating Thetan in the comments. Now, if you become OT and you join the higher level of involvement, being in the Galactic Federation, you're not allowed to participate in events that happen here on Earth. After that, you are exclusively off-world. I mean, it sounds like fun, but on the other hand, once you get to know the people and realize the Scientologists are a bit extreme in their application of their technology, and they can be a bit harsh. I would go as far as to say joining with that organization, Scientology, will ruin your life. It will damage you psychologically, mentally, physically, and spiritually. So you should definitely not involve yourself. I was fortunate. My involvement was less than a year, and I was able to get away using the knowledge that they trained me with. Well, all I can tell you is this. I do believe in aliens. I believe that there are good aliens that look after us, that contact individuals and work with them for the betterment of all humanity. I feel in a certain way I may even participate on that level without being cruel to other humans, without intimidating or causing fear in other humans, as the Scientologists do. If you have followed any of Leah Remini's broadcasts, then I'm sure you know this is abundantly clear. But if you don't, just take my advice. Don't get involved with the Scientologists. If this is anything that you want to talk about, make sure you get with me on social media using the links in the description. If you want to acquire Orgonite, Quantum Orgonite can be acquired using the link in the description. And if you want to join the Facebook group, use that link. Make sure you subscribe and ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help others that you don't even know. And if you just want to donate, use the Cash App or the PayPal link in the description. Patreon is coming soon. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.